Hi friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video, I will show you how you can easily change the name of a contact in WhatsApp. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and write your comments at the end of the video. And let me and you get down to the topic. First of all, please open the WhatsApp app. Next, go to the chat section at the bottom. After that, select the person to whom you would like to change the name. After that, at the top, click on their name that you already have. Then in the top right-hand corner, edit. And this is where you can make the changes you want to make to the name. Enter any text or add some emoji. Then the most important thing is that you don't forget to click Save in the top right corner to save your changes. This is the very simple and quick way, friends, you can change the contact name in WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.